You know what this is? It's carrot. Pampalinaw ng mata.
Pampalinaw ng mata yan.
Apa.
Talaga. Is it yummy? Wow.
Now I will have the chicken.
Chicken?
This one. This one.
What are you eating?
What's canton?
It's not pancit canton. It's pancit bihon.
Huh?
Pancit bihon.
Bicon.
Bihon.
Bacon.
Bihon.
Bacon. Hindi ko ito maubusin.
It's okay.
Uy, galing pa carrots. Dami carrots. Oh.
Wow. What is that?
Lettuce.
No, it's not lettuce. It's cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Hi, Manalap. You gotta eat healthy.
Healthy. Kanino luto yan? Sino nagluto niyan?
Sa apo.
Si?
Apo.
Apo. Apo Roberto. Favorite mo yung pansit niya, no? Masarap ba yung pansit niya?
Opo.
Wow.